Hello humans, Assalamu alaikum. So today I'm vlogging while running my dishwasher, and even though I'm throwing in some silverware and a few wooden dishes, which I know aren't exactly the best idea, I'm honestly surprised at how good the results are turning out. And using a dishwasher is so much more convenient than washing everything by hand myself or even having a maid do it. It saves time, uses water efficiently, and gives such consistently clean results with barely any effort. And especially here in Saudi Arabia, where it can be really difficult and expensive to find a reliable house helper, having a dishwasher at home just makes life so much easier and stress free. And yes, maybe around 20 to 30% of the silverware might lose a bit of its shine or get slightly discolored over time. But if you're not too concerned about the color of your utensils and just care about cleanliness and convenience, it honestly doesn't matter that much. As you can see here, it got a bit discolored here.